Hi, this is Joe. Joe is craving for spaghetti bolognese. He plans to prepare the meal himself. So he searches online for the recipe to get the ingredients. Let's see what are the ingredients. Well, Joe needs to get a few grams of beef, some veggies, onion and garlic, salt and pepper, tomatoes, tomato sauce, and of course, a packet of spaghetti. However, Joe has a problem. He runs out most of the ingredients. Joe has to spend some money to buy the ingredients. So he decided to buy them at a nearby supermarket. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Quick Tip series. As you can see, Joe has ingredients constraints. Without those ingredients, Joe cannot make his spaghetti bolognese. While waiting for Joe to buy the groceries, let us discuss about project constraints. In this video, we are going to find out what are those constraints and how they can affect the project. Okay, let's jump in. Isn't it frustrating? You can't prepare your favorite meal because you run out the ingredients? Well, same goes to project. Project manager has to prepare and manage the resources to ensure the project running smoothly. Without resources, the project will hit a roadblock. It will not progress. So, What are the constraints? Project constraints are limitations of what project team can do. Let us have a look. The main constraints are budget. How much money is available to achieve the outcome? Example of budget constraint. Your project cost has increased because of a sudden increase of fuel price. As a result, the budget available is not enough to complete the project. Time. When the output to be delivered. Example of time constraint. Weather conditions do not allow your project team to execute a planned task. You have to reschedule the task to another day. Scope. What exactly the expected outcome? Example of scope constraint. Your client keeps on changing the agreed project scope in the middle of the project. The client action not managed will result in disastrous project outcome. Budget, time, and scope are also known as triple constraints. Quality. Does the outcome matches the specifications? Example of quality constraint. The project outcome does not meet the specifications because the quality assurance was not properly implemented to measure the result. Resource. Who and what is required to deliver the outcome? Example of resource constraint. Workers, materials, and machinery are not available to execute certain tasks. Risk. What can go wrong and what can be done about it? Example of risk constraint. The project schedule has been greatly impacted because of movement restrictions during a pandemic outbreak. You need to increase the resources to make up for the lost time. Other constraints such as regulatory, technology, and stakeholder needs that have to be considered and managed too. That's it, guys. By the way, has Joe got his ingredients yet? If he does, then he has no more constraints to make a delicious spaghetti bolognese himself. Bon appetit, Joe! I guess he has done eating his spaghetti. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the like button. For more episodes on Quick Tips series, hit the bell button to stay alerted as soon as we publish a new video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube and Facebook page for more information on project management. Stay safe